Hey everyone, today, we're talking about assist hooks for jigging fishing, and how you can make them yourself. Assist hooks are essential for jigging fishing. They're designed to improve your hookup rate and ensure you land more fish. Typically, an assist hook consists of a strong, short length of cord, a solid ring, and a hook. Assist hooks are a crucial component in jigging fishing, and they play several important roles. 1. Improved hookup rate. Assist hooks increase the chances of hooking a fish. Unlike traditional hooks attached directly to the jig, assist hooks are more flexible and move naturally with the jig, making it easier for fish to bite. 2. Minimized line twist. When fighting a fish, assist hooks reduce the chances of the line twisting. This is because they are connected to the jig via a short length of cord, which provides more freedom of movement and reduces tension on the main line. 3. Versatility. Assist hooks can be customized to match various fishing conditions and target species. You can choose different hook sizes, cord lengths, and materials to suit your specific needs. This customization allows for greater versatility in your fishing setup. 4. Reduced hook fouling. Assist hooks are less likely to get tangled with the jig or the main line. Their design allows them to hang freely, reducing the chances of fouling and ensuring a more effective presentation. 5. Enhanced durability. High-quality assist hooks are made from strong materials that can withstand the rigors of jigging. They are designed to handle the stress of hooking and fighting large fish, ensuring that you have a reliable and durable setup. 6. Safety for the fish. For catch and release fishing, assist hooks are often less harmful to fish compared to traditional hooks. They are designed to penetrate the fish's mouth more cleanly, reducing the chances of injury and improving the fish's chances of survival after release. Using assist hooks in jigging fishing can significantly enhance your fishing experience, offering improved performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching.